Welcome back to YouTube Shorts. Today we're taking a look at Broadway Limited's GE AC6000s in N-scale with Paragon 4, sound, DC, and DCC. Let's see what's in the box. We'll start with the CSX version, just to show you what the unboxing looks like. Clear plastic lid, little foam insert, soft plastic wrapping the locomotive, and now we're out of the box. Below this flap here is a manual. Smooth running locomotives with LED lighting and a lot of sound features. Let's listen to a couple. Check them out at your favorite online retailer or brick and mortar hobby shops.